Hey party people! Nice to have you here today. In this showcase, we have this problem 22 to the power x minus 18 to the power x equals 160, and we want to get the value of x. The problem might look difficult, but it becomes easier if you break down the number 160 into two numbers such as 40 times 4. Next, you are going to break down 40 into the summation of 22 plus 18 and express 4 as 22 minus 18. And now we have the difference of two squares form, which can be written as 22 to the power 2 minus 18 to the power 2. By comparing both sides of the equation, it's clear that x equals 2, and this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel.